Hello, this is perpendicular and parallel lines and transversals, example 5. And example 5 describes Eratosthenes' famous experiment and calculation to figure out the diameter, the circumference of the Earth is what he figured out. And the explanation here is very nice, and he assumed that the sunlight rays were parallel, and that's how he knew that the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 2. And Eratosthenes, he's noted as the father of geometry. He's the one that started all of this, the proofs and the systematic logic that we're studying in geometry. And he was a pretty amazing guy. He calculated with great accuracy the distance from the Earth to the Sun, also the distance from the Earth to the Moon. He also calculated the tilt of the Earth's axes. He did a lot of work with prime numbers. He made a very accurate calendar that included leap years. The idea of having a leap year every 4 years was his idea. He cataloged a lot of stars, 675 of them, which is a lot. And he died at the age of 82, which is pretty remarkable for that for those days. He went blind, and it's said that he just starved himself to death. I guess maybe the blindness was too much for him to take, but at 82 it's said that he starved himself to death. Now, his calculation for the circumference of the Earth was just 100 miles too large, and that's really very close. There's only one other ancient mathematician that calculated the circumference of the Earth, and that was Posidonius, and he was 7,000 miles too short. And it's interesting because Christopher Columbus, when he was trying to get money for his voyages, he used Posidonius's estimate to try to show that it was a shorter journey than it actually was. Anyway, that's some of the things about Eratosthenes, and he really was a pretty remarkable ancient mathematician.